It's the International Day of the Rights of Disabled People, and there's an amazing event being held here in the Senedd with many disabled people's organisations. There's going to be a lot of workshops. It's all about, obviously, disabled people's rights, and also how that they are better supported to become active in politics, which is something which is very close to my heart. It's disappointing the government were supposed to be making a statement about the day today, about the importance of disabled people's rights, so I raised this with the government. I would also like to echo the disappointment to the decision to scrap the planned oral statement for today on the International Day of Disabled People. As well, I welcome that you're going to give an oral statement in the spring on the progress of the Disability Rights Task Force, but I would also draw your attention to the fact that we need to hear about the lack of progress too, and the reasons for that, on incorporating the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Disabled People, and also addressing the disability employment gap, which is considerably higher in Wales than in the rest of the UK. Diolch.